Hello everyone, welcome to Kind of 6. Today we are going to see something different to my type of videos. Today we are going to study HTML, the first course in programming field. So as you know, programming is a very great field if you want to enter it. If you want to learn programming, you need a very stock of math and too many things about science. Alright, so today I'm going to study and I'm going to explain what I can explain in this introduction to the easiest lesson and easiest course of programming. We all know that there are many languages of programming such as HTML, CSS, PHP, JavaScript, Python, and the easiest one of them is HTML. So let's get started, and before we start, please don't forget to hit subscribe button, and let's start with introduction to HTML. So here we have I briefly introduced gate to the first language of programming, which is HTML. So let's read that. By the way, this is a platform called Codecademy. Here you'll find everything that is concerned programming, coding. You will study bravely by your time, and you'll study everything with a very great explanation that will lead you to improve your skills in this field. So, welcome to the world of code. Last year, billions of learners from our community started with HTML. Why? HTML is the skeleton of all web pages. It's often the first language learned by developers, marketers, and designers, and is core to front-end development work. If this is your first time touching code, we're excited for what you are about to create. So what exactly is HTML? HTML provides structure to the content appearing in a website, such as images, text, or videos. Right-click on any page on the internet, choose Inspect, and you will see HTML in a panel of your screen. Let's do that. So you have a mouse, or you have a mouse, and you have to right-click on it and choose Inspect, and you will some information will appear uh, to screen or on screen, and as you see elements of this web page. So let's click on here. This zone appeared by that, and some other things. And we are here to study. We are here studying HTML. As you see, the HTML element is here. HTML head, body, and two many things that we are going to study in next time. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. We all know that HTML is not the real name. HTML is just an abbreviation of the real name. The real name of this course stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A markup language is a computer language that defines structure on the presentation of a raw text. In HTML, the computer can interpret raw text that is wrapped in the HTML elements. A hypertext is text displayed on a computer or device that provides access to the texture links, also known as hyperlinks. You probably clicked on a couple of hyperlinks on your way to this Codecademy course. Learning HTML is the first step in creating websites, but even a bit of knowledge can help you inject code snippets into newsletter, blog, or website templates. As you continue learning, you can layer HTML with CSS. CSS cascading style sheets, and JavaScript to create visually compelling and dynamic websites. But for now, we are going to focus on how to add and modify basic content on a page like text, image, and videos. Don't worry if the website look ugly. We're just getting started. So this is the general introduction to HTML, and today's video will be short. We are going to study just the basic of this lesson, such as the heading tag. So let's read this instruction and this exercise. In the code editor, to the right, type your name in the between each one opening tag, and this is main head, and tag, closing tag, and then press run. This is the place where we are going to write, and this is the place where we are going to run our code. So here we have to open our tag and write each one. or head one, and close it. And inside the box, write your name. Then uh, close your tag with a slash, write each one again, and close the tag. Then click on run. As you can see, guys, my name appeared on the right of the screen. This is the web page and this is the source code. Thank you for watching this video. See you in another video that explain some other elements of this real high managed course of programming. Thank you so much. Goodbye.